Vivek, thank you so much for welcoming me. Actually, loud round of applause for Vivek Oberoi, guys. Our industry's Halley's Comet comes once in 16 years. And also, no offense to you, Vivek, but I don't think Ritesh was introduced very well. Ritesh, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce him again. He is definitely known for special appearances in movies like Houseful, Ek Villain, and also for stunning performances in no movie ever. Ritesh Deshmukh, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Janelia's husband.
I'm extremely proud of that. Thank you.
You should be. That's a very big achievement.
Of course it is.
No, there's a way in which she's not worked after marriage, and she's still the biggest star.
I'm really proud of that.
All right, Ritesh, we've never met before. You've never been on my show.
Thank God for that.
Listen, this is not a part where who's given him the mic. But anyway, we've never met before. You've never been on the show. There's a certain level of famous that a person has to be for that. But keep in mind, Himansh Kohli has been on my show, guys. Himansh Kohli. All right. Now, thing is, Ritesh, I've not watched even one of your movies. Don't.
I'll keep my mic away.
But I still think you're a terrible actor, Ritesh. Thank you. Ritesh, one very interesting thing that I found is Riteish. So Ritesh Deshmukh. But it looks like numerology hasn't really helped your career too much, has it? But it's okay, shit happens. Look at your face. It's okay, right? Now, recently, I want to congratulate the reviewer who did this. I read a review of Great Grand Masti which said, Ritesh Deshmukh is to comedy what Bipasha Basu is to Bollywood, to horror movies. That landed quite low, na? See, guys, if I take a 2-second pause somewhere, na, just laugh. That's what I'm looking for. So now, you usually do movies like Hum Shakals, and then there's a banjo and all of that. But then there's also a face to you, like a Dusra Chehra, where you do movies like Ek Villain. And then I don't know, let's forget the other names. But then what I want to say is, if you're going to be two-faced, now just make sure that at least one of them is talented. Now, see, actually, I really thought about the reason behind you making the decisions and the choices that you do. And I kind of traced it back to your childhood. Now, there are times when these kind of disabilities happen because children get dropped on their head. But you were clearly thrown against a wall. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Ashish Patil in the house. Can we hear it from Ashish Patil, please? Guys. Also, Nikhil Taneja. Two journalists who knows Nikhil Taneja. But anyway, I heard Bank Chor is about 3 idiots trying to rob a bank. Right. It's not just that. It's also about not just 3, more than that. Idiots trying to make you the lead of that movie. That's a big achievement in Vai film. Now, I recently saw a piece of news. Now, I don't know what to make of this. I'm not trying to make this a punchline, but if it happens, I don't mean for it. But it said, Ritesh Deshmukh replaces Kapil Sharma in Bank Chor. 2 seconds passed, you guys. What is this? Finally, this might sound like a compliment, but trust me, it's not. Keeping your talent away, there's just one thing that I see in you. I don't know what that is, but something makes me feel like you're that one actor in Bollywood. Did a chocolate just burst in your heart because I called you an actor? Sorry, I take that back. Yeah, I think there's something about you which makes me feel like you can give competition to the 3 Khans. Fardeen Khan, Sayed Khan, and Imran Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This is Ritesh Deshmukh. For everybody, thank you.